Hey friends, ZenKahuna here. For those of you that have a pendulum, I'm going to show you what I call the tricky sticky move. Because there's a few things. First, you're using your stick, of course, but also sometimes it feels a little sticky because you don't get your grip quite right. This is a great tool in general for your grip strength and coordination. And this particular move, the tricky sticky, is one of my favorite ones that I've developed so far. So let's take a look at it. So we're going to start from the back position here. And we're going to bring it forward, slide the staff back, slide it back out, and bring it back. Watch it from the side. And the front. So, once you've got it on one side, go ahead and make your hand shift and practice on the opposite side. So, what are some of the tricks of the tricky sticky? Well, one is that you want to make sure that when you're bringing it forward, it's up high enough so that it slides right back down to you very easily. So, for example, if I do it out just here, I have to pull it back more actively. As opposed to if I bring it up and rip it back, it comes back easier. Then the second component is bring this arm back far enough and then throw it forward so that the ball comes all the way to your hand. So, it comes higher, then it goes straight out and back. So once you've got it to where you can do one side and then do the regular hand shift and do the other side, what you can do is go right into the move and just shift from side to side that way. So those are some of the variations that you can do. So let me show you one more time the hand shift. Let me show you the hand shift from the side. So it comes up. Right? From there you got your shift and you just bring it behind your back. Shift, bring it behind your back. Then up, down, out, back. Hand shift. Or fancy. So that's the tricky sticky. Have fun with it. Make it fun. Don't get upset with it, and do not throw your double ball staff here, or your pendulum, I mean. Don't go throwing it away. You'll get it. Just take your time. So here's the old buffalo thief. Now she learned this a couple days. I taught it to her a couple days ago. So she's starting to get the tricky sticky. Make sure when you're practicing this, you're doing it on some grass, because you are going to drop your pendulum now and then. Go ahead and turn to the side so we can see it from the side too.
You got to remember to grip it when you throw it out. Try it again. There we go.
Good one. Very good.
Alrighty.
So this is Tara's first go with it.
I learned this one today.
Or she's learning it
I'm
today.
learning it today.
This one takes a while.
So I'm adding a, whoopsies. Sticky.
That's the sticky, tricky
The
stick.
sticky part. This is more challenging than I thought it was going to be. Getting timing, that was a better one. One more on the side. Let's see what the left side does.
Let's take a look at it from the side.
Oh, okay. Ooh.
So part of this is actually when she throws it out
That was better.
to bring it back. It's to get the staff thrown out far enough so that she's got the ball absolutely trapped correctly in her hand, which allows it then to spin correctly back to the shoulder, back of the shoulder position.
That was better.
So what she's doing is just practicing throwing it out and then just letting it come
that was
back.
a good one.
There, oh, there you go.
That was better.
Matter of fact, you did it so fast it threw it off your shoulder.
Yeah.
So we wanted to demonstrate this because you oftentimes out there in YouTube land see us doing it after we've perfected it. So we thought we'd let you see
Yeah.
there is a learning curve, and it's not the same for each one of us.
No,
And it
totally.
depends on the move.
That is a tricky sticky.
Tricky, sticky.